You see? Can you see? Can you see? I know it's been a long motherfucking time since we've been here. We got the truck, we got the mountains, goddamn Utah salt flats at Bonneville Speedway. I thought since we gonna be back that we gonna come back in the right way. It's been 10, 11, 12 months that I've been here and I haven't brought y'all good, hard-hitting content. All those other YouTube channels like to suck each other's dicks and be buddy-buddy, but over here we keep it real and we keep it trill. With that being said, welcome back to Rant Wednesday. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. You already know my name, Uncle Gary, Gary King Jr., Skyline God, your mother's favorite stepson, or your mother's favorite side motherfucker that she like to, you know, give Capri Suns to at night. With that being said, I see a lot of people on the internet doing some flu flamming and some flugazi ass shit. You ain't shit mechanics. You ain't shit paint shops. You ain't shit people as a whole personality, whole being, and spiritual plane. Y'all need to stop. If you give a customer a car, do not lie to them. If a customer gives you a car, do not have them come over here and bring some bullshit to you. If their brakes are worn out, just replace the brakes. Don't try to upsell them on no fabric softener or no bullshit ass seat covers on they ripped leather shit in the back of their Cadillac. All you painters out there, if a customer brings you a car and you say you the top-notch painter, please be a man of your word. If the customer says, hey, you need me to remove the door trim, the seals, any interior panels, even the seats, have them do so. Don't have a customer bring you a car and then you fuck it up. Because I notice a lot of rare Japanese cars coming over from the motherland over here are now getting fucked up by so-called painters. If they ask you to remove the taillights, do so. Don't go over here and try to take a pry bar to everything in the fucking car and try to take it off. That ain't right. That's not how you build good customer rapport. You want me to tell you how to get it done? It takes a little bit of time to go a long way. If it takes you an hour extra to remove some shit from a car and then put it back on the car so the job is done the right way, do so. Do not half-ass anybody's car. Imagine if your mother had open heart surgery and the doctor came in there digging in his nose with his AirPods playing Cardi B, and then that motherfucker didn't get your mother's heart right and then she died.
That's why your mama dead. Dead as hell. What shoes she got on? What shoes she had on her casket?
R.I.P. Big Mama. And then what's gonna happen? You gonna sue the hospital, right? So treat everybody's car as if it was your mother. All you mechanics joyriding, not telling the customer, hey, or asking the customer, hey, may I borrow your car so I can test it out and make sure it's good? Don't be that person. Just give them a call, because I notice a lot of people out here crashing cars, flexing cars that's not theirs. I had a homie with an IS300. They crashed his car into a pole. A supposedly good Toyota repair shop was out here joyriding his car at 2:30 in the morning. 2:30 in the morning. That sounds a little bit past business hours, my good man. You should have been doing what you should have been doing according to the business hours. 5 to 6 p.m. or however long you over here doing your business at your business, you should do so. I don't want to hear any more about, oh man, I gave my car to XYZ and the car's fucked up now. I done went to a lot of repair shops for my Skylines, and I can tell you hands down that not all of them are the best. I'm not gonna be here and be a lowballer or a scumlord and say, hey, don't go here, don't go there. Just know, a lot of people have touched my personal cars and I'm not happy with the work that they have done. So you have not done the full satisfaction of my money. It's okay. I wish you the best. I hope you get better at your craft, but I will not be coming or returning or referring anybody to your services. All you other people out there, if you have a problem, try to delegate with the Better Business Bureau. And if you can't, shit, Instagram can do the best. My homie just bought a brand new GR86, and what happened? The motherfucking engine blew, and you know what the dealership said? There seems to be a wear show on your tires, and it seems like you've been using this car a little bit to an unlikely safe procedure on the road. So you telling me all those Toyota advertisements with motherfuckers drifting in the mall, getting sideways, saying this is performed by professionals. You don't want people to expect to do the same thing in their car, and then the consequence and repercussions of a person daily driving their car to work, and then it breaks and you want to tell him to fuck off? What kind of customer service is that? They just spent $35,000 on your merchandise, and what do you have your mechanics doing in the background? Stalling in people's cars, burning up their clutch, over here joyriding, J-sliding on each corner on customer cars? What kind of Toyota dealership are you, my good person? Don't let me get goddamn the person in charge of Toyota USA to come down here. Now, I'm not mentioning any Toyota specific dealerships. All I'm saying is, if you're gonna make it easy and make it easy on me as a Toyota dealership, I shouldn't have to sit around here 4 or 5 hours and hear you say my shit's fucked up, say the ECU's been tampered with, when your mechanics just came from UTI and can't tell the difference between an ECU and a goddamn power inverter from a goddamn compact Presario. Y'all really need to get y'all shit right. I'm tired of really having to come up for the people. The people need a voice. Am I the voice of the people? No.
Jumping around, screaming like a girl.
Am I a person of the people? Yes. What's the difference between a voice and a people person? The voice says some shit that they really don't want to do or mean. The people person go out their way to make sure the commitment's done. And if I gotta do and step over every hedge fund, chokehold every CEO, fucking rock bottom or stone cold stunner, any dealership management, I will do so. And just know, Larry H. Parker can't save you. You're gonna end up in a chair. And with that being said, se habla español, holla at your boy. Muy poquito, Rant Wednesdays, but muy ves, fucking Rant Wednesdays. Do I know what I'm God damn, it's fucking
Running around doing cartwheels. I won.
I'm tired of all y'all sleeping on me. All y'all sleeping on me. Every time I go on to YouTube, the Instagram, the TikTok, they say, who's this black guy that looks like this other black guy? It's only one black guy. Well, there's a lot of black guys, but we all don't look the same. We all don't drive the same car. Yes, we drive sport compact coupes, but we all don't look the same. I got braids, I'm lighter, and I breathe heavy. Just learn the difference. I don't go to your house and say, why do all these motherfuckers look the same? No, because that's unfair. That's insensitive. Please, just do what you do. Go to bootyhustlers.com, support the site, help us go on more gigantic road trips, and maybe, if I see you, I'll give you a hug or a kiss or a sticker. And if you disrespect me and call me out my name, just know, when you show up on Christmas and there's a little boy that looks just like me at your dinner table, genetics is strong when I'm with your mama.